Deep in the rainforests of British Columbia, Canada, lives a wolf that swims through the open ocean, hunts seals on beaches, and eats barnacles off rocks. Not occasionally, not by accident. 90% of everything this wolf eats comes directly from the sea. Meet the sea wolf. Genetically distinct from every other gray wolf on Earth, sea wolves exist only along a narrow stretch of Pacific coastline in British Columbia and southern Alaska. They are smaller than mainland wolves, weighing around 90 pounds compared to the 150 of their inland cousins. Lean, compact, built for water. Nature didn't make them smaller because it ran out of wolf. Nature made them smaller because swimming 7.5 miles between islands in the North Pacific is a thing they do regularly. They move through the water with only their eyes, ears, and nose above the surface. Researchers describe it as having 2 paws in the ocean and 2 paws on land. They are not visiting the ocean. They live there. Their diet reads like a very adventurous seafood restaurant. Salmon, herring eggs, clams, mussels, barnacles, and the occasional beached whale when one shows up. They hunt harbor seals by sneaking up on them while they rest on beaches. And because seals move roughly as fast as a confused tourist on an escalator, this works remarkably well. When eating salmon, sea wolves do something almost no other animal bothers to do. They eat only the heads, just the heads. Scientists believe this is to avoid salmon poisoning disease, a bacterial infection that is potentially fatal to wolves and dogs. Bears eat the whole fish and end up with tapeworms. Wolves figured out food safety. Bears did not. Remember this the next time someone tells you bears are smarter. Sea wolves carry salmon carcasses deep into the rainforest after eating. The rotting fish fertilize the soil. The trees grow taller. The forest feeds the ocean, and the ocean feeds the forest. Sea wolves once had a much bigger range, all the way down to Washington State. Then humans took care of that, hunted them, destroyed their habitat, and wiped them out from that entire region. Now, only the British Columbia population remains. This animal has lived on this coastline for thousands of years, long before anyone thought to study it. It looked at the Pacific Ocean, cold, dark, and full of things trying to kill it, and said, "Perfect.